The new Nikon D800 features a pro-grade build quality that seals against dust, moisture, and even rain in the most demanding environments. The camera has a magnesium alloy chassis, as well as O-ring seals around all the buttons and dials. The materials used in the shutter give it a shutter life of 200,000 or more shots. The viewfinder is a 100% viewfinder, which means everything that you see in the viewfinder is what you get in the final picture. The Nikon D800 has a dual card slot system, perfect for overflow, backup, or shooting RAW and JPEG simultaneously on two separate cards. It accepts both compact flash as well as SD secure digital type memory. It's even compatible with iFi secure digital cards. For a more confident feel and extended battery life, be sure to check out the optional MB-D12 battery pack. Simply attach it to the bottom of the camera. The grip now features an optional shutter release at the top of the grip, as well as main and sub command dials. The grip even has a sub-selector for adjusting your focus points when shooting in vertical position. The MB-D12 accepts up to 3 different types of batteries. First, the ENEL15, which is the same battery that's used in the Nikon D800. You can tell the camera which battery to drain from first, the one in the grip or the one in the camera. The grip also comes with holders for AA batteries. With an optional BL5 end cap, you can actually use the same battery that's used in the D4, the ENEL18. With either the ENEL18 battery or AA's, you can actually achieve continuous frame rates up to 6 frames per second when shooting in the DX crop mode. For remote flash control, the Nikon D800 even features a built-in commander in the pop-up flash. All you have to do is go inside your custom settings, change custom function E3 to commander mode, and with a compatible Nikon speedlight, you can trigger the flash off camera. For more information on the new Nikon D800, check out nikon.ca.